Here we're looking at a Colchester EL8M CNC lathe year 2015 with a Fanuc 0 ITD control. It's a CNC 3-axis chucking lathe, so it has X, Z and C axis with both collet chuck and 3-jaw power chuck. The machine is low hours, as we'll see in a minute, and is a nice performing machine with 30 metre per minute rapid traverse rates. So there we can see Fanuc 0 ITD control, very clean indeed, very low hours use. The machine has 27,000 power on hours, but only a total of 5,697 running hours in total. That's a combination of run time and cutting time. So we've got a 66mm bar capacity machine here with a 390mm turning diameter, and also a decent spindle motor capacity on both the driven tools, which is 4.5 kilowatts, and we have 18.5 kilowatts on the main spindle motor. So running the machine now, and we're running on a spindle speed of 1500 RPM and just rapid traversing backwards and forwards and doing turret indexing. Around the back of the machine here now, integral transformer, main spindle motor and electrical panel, so nice and compact. So looking inside the machine now, you can see we've fitted it with a 3-jaw power chuck. The 12-station turret has positions for VDI tool holders, both driven tools and static tools, and we have the swarf conveyor with this machine as well. As mentioned, it's a chucking machine only, so no tailstock with this machine. Large combination of collet chucks and tooling available with the machine.